Hi, Cyrus sisters and misters. Do you want to watch me go from basic to Soleil on my natural virgin 4C hair? Then stay with me. Welcome back. I'm Nick. On this channel, I create videos about my natural hair, my lifestyle, and about self-care. In today's video installment of 10-Minute Tuesday, which is a new series on this channel, where I'll create a simple hairstyle in about 10 minutes or less. It's what I call a lifestyle hairstyle, because leading a busy life, who really has time to do much more? Before we get too deep into this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know when I upload new content. At the start of this video, I was applying moisturizing cream and my psoriasis medication to my face. Since COVID, my skin has been giving me the blues as a result of wearing the mask. So I was able to pinpoint the type of mask that really affect the psoriasis and give me these flare-ups. But, I'm still dealing with it. So I'm trying to stay on top of my skincare without missing a beat. This mohawk hairstyle is one that I've worn many times over the last several years, during my natural hair care journey. It's more than simple. It goes well with my facial shape. I wore it all last week. So this morning I'm simply refreshing it because my head wrap fell off sometime during the night last night. But that was some good sleep. I've been suffering from insomnia, so I don't know what I did differently last night, but I slept all night. That was really needed. For this style, I recommend that you use a few products. I'm using hair and scalp oil, rubber bands, a styling aid. In particular, I'm using edge control. I used my very small edge control hairbrush. I used bobby pins, and for this style, of course, braiding hair is optional. It just depends on the length and the density of your natural hair. And I moisturize the ends of each of my ponytails with ORS moisturizing butter. I love that stuff, y'all. I go through so much of it. I absolutely love it. I also use it on my boys' hair. It moisturizes my hair very well, and it also mixes well with many of my product favorites. To set the foundation for this style, I divided my hair into about 5 sections, or should I say 4 sections plus a bang area in the front. So I parted my hair from ear to ear first, and this definitely helps with sectioning my hair overall versus trying to start at the bottom and work my way up. This was way simpler. I should have been doing it this way all along. I smoothed together the ponytails with the Magic Fingers braiding stuff. I've forgotten the exact name of it. I'll insert a photo while I'm editing this later on, though. So something to keep in mind while using the Magic Fingers is that the neatness of this style definitely relies on the neatness of the ponytail and also the smoothness of the double strand twists. I did use a small edge control brush versus my larger boar bristled brush because it helps with pushing the product in and sleeking my hair out. Okay, I love that for me. I secured each ponytail with an oil dipped rubber band. Next, I attached the Kanekalon braiding hair to my natural hair with a rubber band. I double strand twisted the end of the braiding hair and I intertwined it with my own hair. I wound the flat twist around the base of the ponytail and I secured it with a couple of hairpins. Bobby pins, I meant, not hairpins. There's so many different brands and textures of braiding hair. I like to use the Cuban twist, and also there's another one, but I can't think of the name of it right now. I really like the Cuban twist hair because it matches my hair texture and my color, and most importantly, I can use it straight out of the package without it causing my scalp to itch. And with psoriasis, more itchy scalp is the last thing that I need. So I had started using 2 growth oils on my scalp and they really worked wonders for my scalp. They also grew my hair. I'm still using one of them currently. I did a 10-week challenge where I used 2 growth oils. I used one on each side of my head. I created several videos during the process, and I'll insert the thumbnails so that you can locate them easily. I highly recommend that you view this series if you're interested in growing your natural hair. This series details and documents how I was able to retain up to 4 inches of growth in 10 weeks. Seriously, guys, check it out. But for now, concerning this video, I definitely want to know, what's your favorite braiding hair? Which one do you like best? Why do you like it? And also, just for kicks, tell me your least favorite and why it's your least favorite. So it did take me a couple of tries, as you can see, to get the bang how I wanted it. And it's not that it was difficult or anything, but I was trying to position it a certain way so that I would still be in compliance with our uniform dress code for work without having to redo it in less than 48 hours. So I had to rearrange it and rearrange it again, but I finally got it to my liking and gave it a good whoosh of hairspray, and I was ready to be out the door fairly quickly afterward. So the final step that I didn't get video of, and I'm pretty sure that I did it. I don't even have to look at it to know that I did it. I always tie a satin scarf on my fresh styles. Always, always. Because Frolian, my low density, coarse, tightly woven, high and low porosity, level 4C head of hair, she'll let me know. She'll remind me that I skip tying it down every single time. Just adding that extra weight helps so much. It helps to set the style and to mold it in place. It helps to capture any of those little small pieces that likes to escape. All of that. Yes, 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 sis. Here's the final look. Get into it. Be about it in 10 minutes. 10 minutes, sis. You've got 10 minutes.
I'ma put my hands on her. I'ma spend a couple grand on her. I'ma drop a rubber band on her.
So pause. I hope you like it. I really like this style a lot. If you decide to try it, tag me on Insta at Sunkissed_Nic. Okay, so I don't know who this is in this limousine, but they are rolling out the red carpet and I'm about to see who it is. I thought it was a celebrity. So I totally revamped the style for an evening out, and this is what I came up with. I decided to give it a cute little braid from top to bottom, and yeah, I really like the hang time on it, and I thought it was super cute. Got lots of compliments that evening, and it was a win for 4C again. I hope you enjoy the rest of your 24 while I continue to do this and that. Until next time, I'm Sunkissed Nic. Thanks for watching. Bye.